Okay, everyone, this is my barbecue pork, which I'm gonna have with my fry festival. Not feeling for anything heavy today, and this is my banana cake, banana bread, and toto. Yes, and the festival is not packaged, it has been done from scratch. Okay, we have some ready ones. We have some ready ones over here. Yes, we're going to go with some cucumbers and tomato and some beetroot with carrot